Isha. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Should I turn my video on?
Yes, please.
Am I visible, sir?
Yeah, you are visible. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good. What's your list is out? What have you
Yes,
got?
sir.
What have you
I've
got?
got Nalsar.
Nalsar. So you are going
Yes.
there or anything? You have put in upgradation.
I put an upgradation because I saw the list. For Bangalore, its last rank in general is 95, I guess. So I am hoping if it shifts 10 to 15, then I
Okay.
might as well
I'll
put
talk
it.
with you कि होगा देखो इस बार. I'll
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इस बार तो 300 में भी लोगों को basically they are getting NUJs in the first list.
Yeah, exactly. I saw people with 360, they are getting Jodhpur also. So,
Yes. So it is only the first list. So game तो ही
hmm.
बचा हुआ है second, third, fourth individual
Yes,
list.
sir.
All those things are with there. But it's absolutely great that you got into Nalsar or probably NLSIU. Okay, your first preference was corporate law, right?
No. My first preference was human rights. Second was criminal law.
Okay, so and your NLU Delhi is also great. I hope so.
Yes,
When
sir.
is the result for NLU D?
Not sure, sir, because the final answer key is yet to come.
Okay.
So let's see. I'm hoping for the best. So,
Okay. And have you heard anything that who is getting what? I mean, any score that you have heard in the NLU Delhi?
yeah, a few of my friends, some have scored 91, 93, then 85.
Mhm.
That's what I know. And that day when you told me someone scored 114,
Yeah.
so that's
So
the
yes.
highest I'm aware.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है because I got to know there are a lot of people they are scoring more than 105. ठीक है, more
Hmm.
than 105. So
Oh, wow.
probably cut off 105 ना चला जाए. ठीक है.
Yeah, I'm
So
scared of that.
from jurisdiction itself there are 105 के ऊपर probably 7-8 स्टूडेंट है.
Oh,
ठीक है.
wow.
तो अब jurisdiction से ही अगर 7 स्टूडेंट है तो there would be another
Hmm.
lot of students who are not from jurisdiction. They
Yeah,
might be
exactly.
scoring more than that. So God knows what would the cutoff,
Hmm.
but definitely more than 100. Definitely more than
More
100
than
or
100.
probably touching 100. That will be there because question paper was easy. Okay,
Hmm.
and the students they have scored very well, and the CLAT PG aspirants. I told you that day whenever I had a talk with you, okay, CLAT PG aspirants found it very easy to tackle
Hmm.
IELTS PG paper this year. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's see. Hope for the best. I hope you are getting NU Delhi also. I think
I
so.
hope so. I hope
So
so.
now it would be your choice whether to go for NLS or Bangalore or NUT.
I don't know. I'm confused, honestly, because both are uh, as equally good. It's like comparing two good things and saying which is
Yeah,
better. So I don't know. Perhaps it just depends, I guess, which specialization is better in which college. So I think corporate laws are, of course, the best in NLSIU. But as far as I'm aware, human rights and criminal side is way more active in NLU Delhi. So if that happens, I might give Delhi as my preference because I've also lived there.
yeah.
So maybe let's see. I don't
Okay.
know.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So how was the question paper in general? I mean, how did you feel it after seeing it for the first time? कैसा लगा? I mean, you might be preparing a lot of things. Okay.
Hmm.
After seeing the question paper, आपके दिमाग में क्या आया? और 2 घंटे के बाद आप exam paper when you are done with the exam. Okay.
Hmm.
What did you make out of the question after seeing that or after analyzing after going through the question paper?
CLAT, sir? CLAT
Yeah,
question
flat
paper?
pitch. Yeah.
Uh, First, when I saw, the first thing I checked was the comprehension size because I was scared. Because if it's going to be very lengthy, my time is going to be consumed in reading and comprehending that. So I checked the passages, and when I saw 6 questions, one passage, I was actually scared to attempt that. I thought my time is going to be consumed. The paper might be easy, it might be better to attempt, but then I have to manage it accordingly. So then I just thought, ki, okay, let's just not panic now and just try to attempt the question. When I was done, I was like, okay, it was a good attempt. Like, it was not bad, but I didn't know how I do it. Like, how did I do? I think the first time I filled the form also that you sent, I thought I'll score somewhere around 80. But then I saw the mistakes I had done and I realized, okay, I could have done better. So yeah, that was my first impression, I would say.
And everyone felt and everyone said because one form has been disseminated to you people to write about,
Mm-hmm.
and everyone said most of 75%, more than 75% people are saying they could have done better. Okay, the question
Yeah,
paper
yeah,
was on the easier side. It was not expected, definitely not expected from the CLAT what they
definitely.
have set up, but every student either from research or either from outside they are saying कि yeah definitely इससे अच्छा तो कर सकते थे इस क्वेश्चन
Mm-hmm.
पेपर में.
Exactly.
So definitely that's very good. Now, how you were setting this question paper with the 2020 paper? Because you might have checked the
Mm.
2020 paper, you might have checked the
Definitely.
sample paper of the 2020. How you
Definitely.
are differentiating this both to both the paper or three papers, because sample paper, 2020
Mm-hmm.
paper, and the 2021 paper. How you are differentiating?
I think the sample paper was the most difficult because when saw it, I was like, okay, if this kind of paper comes, I think I might not even able to attempt one question because it was so in depth. It was like a paragraph and then two cases simultaneously in that paragraph. So I was scared that what if I leave a case and a paragraph comes out of that? Then what? So, but then 2020 was like, okay, maybe I can do it. It's not though such difficult cases, but of course it's difficult. But then 2021, I guess they just tried to mix everything up. It was like a mixture of recent, then also like comprehension, because this jurisprudence part, the six questions that were directly from jurisprudence, there was just totally comprehension. There was nothing to even apply your brain on. Just read the comprehension, select the correct answer. So I felt like they tried to perhaps make it easy given the pandemic situation or whatever they thought. So it was, of course, easier than 2020. But yeah,
Yeah,
that.
yeah, definitely. Whatever you were saying, कि pandemic might be one of the reason. The reason being
Hmm,
as there were no exams, college exams नहीं हुए हैं, कुछ exam, even
exactly.
फोर्थ या फिफ्थ ईयर के एग्जाम भी बहुत ऐसे ऑनलाइन एग्जाम कंडक्ट हुआ है, ट्वेल्थ का भी बोर्ड एग्जाम नहीं हुआ है. सो ऑल
Hmm.
दोस थिंग्स, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑल द फैक्टर्स, आई होप दे हैव के स्टूडेंट ज्यादा अच्छे से इस बार प्रिपेयर नहीं है और पढ़े नहीं है, तो दैट माइट बी ए पॉसिबिलिटी के क्वेश्चन पेपर थोड़ा इजी करते हैं. बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऐसा नहीं पीजी के लिए इजी था, क्वेश्चन पेपर यूजी के लिए भी इजी था, क्वेश्चन पेपर आईलेट में भी इजी है, आईलेट
Yeah,
उसमें भी
exactly.
इजी है, आईलेट यूजी में भी इजी है. So all around, whatever the papers they have said is more on the easier side. Okay, but that's the analysis that you have done regarding the 2020 sample paper. That was the toughest among the all three, definitely.
Yes, sir.
And 2021 पेपर ओके इट वाज मोर अटेम्प्टेबल, ठीक है मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पर 40-50.
Hmm.
2021 पेपर हैज गिवन अ टोटली डिफरेंट आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लैट इटसेल्फ, कि देखो ये भी पूछे जा सकते हैं, ठीक है
Yeah,
कि
exactly.
आप जजमेंट्स पढ़ रहे हो फाइन, बेसिक्स पढ़ रहे हो फाइन, बट देयर वुड बी एन अदर काइंड ऑफ कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस भी बहुत सारे पूछ सकते हैं
Hmm.
आपसे. आपके रीडिंग इज वन ऑफ योर
Yeah.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल, ठीक है कि इस बार 20 पैसेजेस हैव बीन आस्क्ड, उसमें
Hmm.
से 6 क्वेश्चन थे हर पैसेज से. तो ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर मिक्सचर ऑफ थिंग्स इंडिकेटिंग कि आपके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है नेक्स्ट ईयर में.
Yeah, exactly.
फॉर 2022 के आपको रिसेंट जजमेंट से पूछा जाए, आपसे बेसिक्स भी आए, उसके बाद कॉम्प्रिहेंशन भी आए, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. ओके, नाउ as you are getting into the NALSA or NLSI or NLP, whatever that might be, okay, depending on your choice. But I mean, as we have done a lot of things in year in research, we have done mocks, we have done classes,
Yeah.
revision classes, a lot of things we have done. Now, regarding the mocks, you have taken the mocks
Yes,
and
sir.
all those things you are taking it. Now, एक चीज है, आप अभी 2022 जो एस्पिरेंट्स है, ठीक है, आप उन लोगों को if they are going to start it right now, okay, how you are going to tell them, what you are going to tell them कि आप ऐसे start करो, that will be better for your preparation. What would be your suggestion to 2022 aspirants regarding that?
I would say don't keep it last minute like I did. Like, definitely don't do that because I feel like being prepared early on is a good thing to start off. Like, if they first clear off their basics, you're done with your basics. Like, 1 year is now within their hands. If they're like, हाँ मुझे अभी करना है, so they could like they have a good 10 months to prepare. So 10 months they could invest. I feel that 6 months or 5 months on their basics, clear it, like totally brush it off, like kuch bhi puche, they should know it at the tip of their fingers. and then go to the recent one, because I feel like recent has to be recent. Like usko karna bhi, we have to do it recently, because if I keep doing it in the first 5 to 6 months, I might as well forget it when I'm doing it before the exam. I might not remember what I read in that time, because basics we've already read it in the 5 years. Now we're just brushing it off. So I feel that should be the strategy to go about.
One thing that I am asking is that what is your primary strategy? Because as you
Hmm.
told, you started late.
Yes, sir.
You started late, and you have to do a lot of things. ठीक है, आपको
Yeah.
बहुत सारा चीज करना था. ठीक है, lot of judgments were there, but this time क्वेश्चन पेपर थोड़ा बहुत इजी था. ठीक है,
Yeah.
but the preparation that whatever you people have done और जो रिसर्च के बाकी स्टूडेंट जो किए थे, that we are not taking anything away from you people regarding the preparation के perspective से. ठीक है, now आपका strategy क्या था basically अनिशा कि to for your 2021 के strategy last अब अगर 5 months or 4 months that you have dedicated, what was your strategy के आप ऐसे ऐसे चले basically?
Sir, I made a list of all the subjects they had listed in the notification, that they said these are the subjects that are going to be the main focus in the question paper. Then I made a target that this many days I'm going to devote basics for this subject. And then I used to do the MCQs for that subject, for that after I'm done reading the basics. I did this, I think, till the notification came. I was doing it till that time. And then I was like, okay, now it's time to gear up and maybe focus on the judgments. Then I think all of the cases that was covered by Juris Edge. Also, I went on Live Law. Then I downloaded all the yearly digest. Then I made a list, compared the list that was already on Juris Edge, the casebook and everything. Then made another 50 to 100 cases list, and then made a total of 200 cases list. And then I used to go through it again and again and again. So then I also had a friend who was a parent. So I used to call her up at night and I was like, okay, let's discuss. What did you read? And we would just have sessions discussing the cases, and what was the bench, what was said in that case. So I think that helped a lot. That we kept discussing it again and again, and I kept reading it, like, I don't know, till the moment I gave the exam. So I guess that was my
That's
strategy.
quite great. That's quite great. Another thing might have been helpful for you. Basically, CLAT PG के जो recent portion है that has been asked in the ALET PG. Though that has been
Yes, yes,
that has
yes. That was really helpful
yeah.
too.
So the one very important thing that I want to communicate to the students that कि आपको नहीं पता होगा कि इस एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड आप शायद क्लैट के लिए पढ़ रहे हो और वो सवाल शायद आईलेट पीजी में पूछा जा रहा है या बीएचयू या डीयू या आईएलआई में. सो ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है कि क्लैट वाला चीज क्लैट में पूछा गया, बाकी चीज में नहीं पूछा गया. Now, how they are changing the things and mixing the things up, you never know which portion is important for which exam.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And now, as you said, there are a lot of cases that you have done. Okay, and I don't know how you are. You have remembered all those things. You told you were discussing with the friends. Okay, and all those things. Casebook were also there. We have compiled
Yes,
last 4 साल के
yes, sir. Yes,
भी है
sir.
each and everything that you have shared. उसके बाद भी आप 50-100 केस ऐड किए हो. So it's a huge magnanimous work that you have done. Okay, giant work. And the the one very important aspect now, which part you have given the most focus, the basics or the judgment, or both?
I can't prefer one over the other, because I feel like I was preparing both for IELTS as well as CLAT. I mean, I was like, I can't just devote my time to just one and be like, no, no, let's just leave the other because that's not so important. Because I felt like if I am preparing for two examinations and I have the same time to prepare, I should do justice to both, not just one. So that's why initially I focused on the basics a lot. And then when I knew that CLAT pattern is more focused on the recent, so the 1 month before CLAT, I just focused on the recent cases. I don't think I touched on the basics much. But the 1 week that was before I did not go into the recent cases at all. I was like, I've covered it already in CLAT. Let's not just go there again, because now I need to brush up my basics again. I just need to go through my notes. So that's what I did. So I can't choose one over the other, I guess. It just depends how the pattern is.
So that's true, and not only you, I have communicated so much student whoever I have communicated. The only the same thing they are telling कि you can't really differentiate, and after the 2021 paper तो you can't really differentiate कि
Yeah, yeah.
2021 के पेपर अलग साइड के हैं, 2020 के पेपर अलग साइड के हैं, तो आपको बीच में यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट आउट बेसिकली.
Yeah, exactly.
This 2020 के 2022 के पेपर probably it kind be mixture of both the 2021 and 2020, right? तो
Yeah, yeah.
आपको दोनों चीज को बैलेंस आउट करना है. Now, Anisha, I want to ask you a very important question regarding one subject particularly. Okay,
Okay.
that is CRPC. CRPC
Okay.
hasn't had that kind of importance for that much.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
it. Now 2021 has changed the game altogether regarding
Yeah.
CRPC. And now, if the inclusion of CRPC means the other procedural laws, that the time will tell that we don't know,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Now, what about the CRPC? I mean, how the students is going to tackle the CRPC? Because there are already 14 subjects already there.
Yeah.
अभी CRPC include कर रहे हो आप, probably next year evidence add कर दोगे. CPC, who knows about the CPC? Okay, so all of a sudden it's so huge subjects to be included. Now, what is your take on CRPC questions that have been asked and how the students can tackle the CRPC depending on the question paper that has been set in 2021?
Depending on the questions, I guess I could attempt the CRPC questions, even though I actually hadn't touched that subject, was because I think my basics was clear to a certain degree. I won't say totally clear, but to a certain degree, I knew my subject. I knew CRPC. Maybe it could be that I have a love for criminal law and I've always had an inclination towards it. But other than that, I would say that CRPC is totally a statutory based kind of subject. It does not require much, I would say, guidance per se. Even in my college years, I've always relied on the BEAR Act. So I just used to read the BEAR Act religiously because the questions were directly from the BEAR Act. There was nothing beyond that. If I can give an example, the 313 section question that they asked and the amendments made in them, they were directly BEAR Act questions. There was nothing to interpret. So I just feel like they should just look at the BEAR Act, look at the important sections, and just read them once. And when they see the options, it'll obviously click if they've read it. So that's all I can say.
So I hope that will help. But nonetheless, what will be the 2022 paper that no one knows?
Yeah.
Because the recent judgments and each and everything from the CRPC, that might be a problematic for the student, right? But for you, it's very good कि CRPC के BEAR Act से पूछा गया था and the simple BEAR Act provisions. That's a very good thing, right? Now, as there are a lot of subjects, Anisha, I mean, how to tackle all those subjects? It's a very difficult thing to do as a student to tackle all those subjects. क्योंकि एक टाइम में रिवीजन करने जाओ या 14 सब्जेक्ट्स के 14 रिवीजन करो, उसके बाद इतने सारे जजमेंट से हाउ टू रिवाइज ऑल दोस थिंग्स बिफोर द एग्जाम. एक महीने पहले रिवाइज कैसे किए थे आप? हाउ डिड यू डू द रिवीजन?
So I had a schedule. Like I never actually, I mean, I make plans. If I have to read tomorrow, I will definitely make, like if I have to study 8 hours, I'll make a 8 hour plan. That for 2 hours, I'll read this much, 3 hours, I'll read this much. So I always go by that plan. So suppose if I have to read TOTS, I will dedicate 2 days for TOTS revision. I won't dedicate even a third day for that. And if I couldn't do it, I will pull an all-nighter or just not sleep and complete what was given in my schedule. So I always stuck to a schedule because I knew time is less and there are again 14 or 16 subjects to cover. I can't really lag now and think that I have so much to cover. But also with that, I had a target that every day I will read 15 to 20 cases, no matter what. And then I used to sit diligently and read those cases. However, I'll divide it in between revision, I'll do that. Then again, every day I used to attempt 2 to 3 mocks in the morning, first thing in the morning. So I had divided my time accordingly, that I'll do this in the morning and everything else. So I tackled that way.
So the mocks is going to play very important role for every student and that has played. क्योंकि हम लोग तो बहुत मॉक्स किए थे, ठीक है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मॉक्स, लॉट मतलब आप करते जाओ, खत्म तो नहीं होंगे.
Yeah, definitely.
And each and everything is very important for exam perspective. The reason being कि इतने सारे सब्जेक्ट्स है उसको रिवाइज करना, आप अगर इंडिविजुअल सब्जेक्ट्स को पकड़ोगे उसको रिवाइज करने जाओ उसके लिए भी टाइम चाहिए आपको, right? That time mock is going to play a huge role in that to fill that gap के revision वाला part कि कितना आपको याद रह रहा है, क्योंकि at the end of the day it's matter of memory and attention, right? Now another important subject that was quite missing in CLAT PG 2021 paper, that is constitution. Okay, what's your take on that? Because it is one of the biggest subjects, and it has been the biggest subject so far, but all of a sudden the constitution was quite missing. उतना ज़्यादा सवाल नहीं था, ठीक है, right? What would be your take on this? I mean, regarding the missing constitution.
I was disappointed that I did not get constitution.
As a student, बहुत disappointed होंगे, I know, and for you also, the people who love constitution, definitely,
it was a big disappointment. Because last year paper, it was so much based on constitution that I was hoping this year also, if they at least focus like 10 to 20 questions, that would be like an easy go to do, because I had made sure that my constitution was thorough. But then when I did not see constitution, I just felt like there was no use. I could have just used that time to read something else perhaps. But then I think no knowledge goes to waste, because the constitution that I read for CLAT came handy when I appeared for IELTS. So I can't really fault for that. But yeah, I was really disappointed that it did not come.
So because the only thing is that there are lot of case laws classes that we have gone through. हम लोग बहुत सारे cases कर रहे थे यार, एक case इतना elaborately discuss कर रहे थे, तो somehow student 23rd के बाद बहुत सारे students सर इतना cases पढ़े, इतने सारे किए, मराठा जजमेंट कर लिए सर, इतने कुछ कर लिए, and we are not, I mean सर एक भी कुछ तो respect देते था सर इतने effort का. I mean, we're not getting only single question from the judgment. अब एक judgment से एक भी question पूछ लेते तो we would be happier कि इतना effort का कुछ तो मिला. But at the end of the day, you can't expect CLAT can surprise. Right. Now, regarding Anisha, I mean, as you were there in research for so many months, okay, how was your experience with us? What have you got, and what actually helped you a lot in your preparation?
So everything helped me. I mean, the video lectures, because I honestly, I never attended the live lectures. I would watch the video lectures as 1.5x speed, because I was like, I need to watch it faster, and used to do that. And then I don't know, I'm always on a very faster speed pace person. I like to do a lot of things at the same time. So I'm like, no, I can't sit for 2 hours. Like, of course, no offense to anyone. It was amazing lectures, but I used to watch it at 1.5x speed. And then video lectures cleared a lot of things. Like whenever I had a doubt, I would obviously go and refer to a video lecture. And I think the case books were amazing, because I did not have to touch those cases or even go to the real judgments to go through that. And most of all, I think the mocks, they were amazing. They cleared a lot of things. I remember initially when I started doing mocks, the first 30-40 mocks, I used to sit and make notes of the questions I got wrong. And I used to repeat those before going to sleep, that, okay, these are the questions I got wrong, and I'll attempt it again or I'll revise it again. So I think the mocks are the most important thing of all, because no matter what I read, what I see, if I don't practice it at least for 5 to 6 times, I'm not going to retain it. So no use of reading it, or no use of looking at it or listening to it. So I feel mocks are the most amazing thing Jew Research has.
Now, Nandil is another very important part, Anisha. You told a lot of things, okay? And mocks are definitely one of the important part. And we had a lot of comprehension mocks. मतलब 65-70 के ऊपर comprehension mocks थे. And you have taken it. सबसे और एक important चीज था कि आपको इस बार subjective part भी नहीं थे. Now, subjective part, that game would be totally different altogether.
Yeah, it would be.
Okay, so regarding the subjective part, we have done a lot of things, but तो आया नहीं, that effort has gone waste. Okay, a lot of effort has gone waste this year. Okay, but probably for the next year that will be counted. But nonetheless, ये lectures जो आप बोले ना 1.5 speed, there are a lot of students, they said to me, sir, ऐसे नॉर्मल में देखूंगा तो 2 घंटे लगेंगे, बाद में देखूंगा तो कोई तो 2x स्पीड में भी देखता है, ठीक है, लॉट ऑफ
Yeah,
स्टूडेंट्स दे आर डूइंग इट इन द 2x स्पीड, सो दैट सेव्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम डेफिनेटली वो,
yeah,
ठीक है, कि आपको 1 घंटा अगर कम जा रहा है उसी पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में, तो दैट्स अमेजिंग। आई मीन आप 1 घंटे की कीमत कोई एलएलएम प्रिपरेशन वाले को पूछ लो कि व्हाट इज दैट, कि
yeah,
इतना
yeah.
कुछ पढ़ना है, इतना कुछ
That's true.
पढ़ना है, तो वो लास्ट फ्यू डेज में या लास्ट मंथ में पता चलता है कितना अहमियत रखता है। बट ओवरऑल इट वाज वंडरफुल जर्नी। ओके, अब देखो आईलेट
Yeah,
का क्या रिजल्ट आ रहा है, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज़ देयर माइट बी स्टूडेंट्स दैट दे आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन इन द आईलेट पीजी2 एंड you will be including one। ओके,
I
लेट्स सी।
hope so.
आप उसके बाद एनएलयू दिल्ली जाओ। ओके, एंड anything that you want to share regarding this course, anything that you want to share regarding the experience that you have so far with us?
It has been amazing. I mean, when I started the journey and when I started, I think I got into Juris Edge by the end of February, and then I actually seriously started preparing by the end of March. So I don't know. By then, I wasn't really thinking that what am I going to do. I hadn't thought that which college am I going into. But then I remember watching one of your lectures where you were talking about that you should be really focused. You should have this one college that you dream college, and you should just aim for it. Don't think about anything else. And I just felt like, yeah, that is how I should be now. I shouldn't be fickling around thinking which college will I get into, what should be my aim now. And I just thought like, why not aim for the best? Even if I don't get it, that's a secondary thing, but why not just aim for the best? And here I am. So let's just hope whatever happens happens for good.
Definitely, that's a wonderful journey with you, because we have learned a lot of things with you people. Okay, because it's not easy to conduct so many. We have conducted probably, I mean, more than 600, 700 hours class with you people
Yeah,
to complete all those syllabus, because the CLAD has so vast syllabus.
yeah, yeah,
So complete आपको अच्छे से करवाने के लिए we have to do that lot of things, and उसके बाद lot of study material and each and everything that was a student portal में, तो ऐसा कुछ चीज नहीं है जो student portal में नहीं मिलेगा आपको,
yeah.
each and everything is there. So we have learned a lot. Each year we are learning from the CLAT, we are learning from all of you, and it's quite the informative and quite adventurous journey we are in basically with CLAT and CLAT PG specifically.
Yeah,
क्योंकि
definitely.
lot of things are changing. हर साल कुछ ना कुछ होते हैं, हर साल कुछ ना
Hmm.
कुछ नया आता है, and we have to adapt to that. Okay, at the end of the day. But nonetheless, this year you people have done extremely well, and you are going to any other exam. I don't think so. You are going to attempt any more exam other than the IELTS.
No, I'm not. I'm just done.
That's fine. So there are students who are attempting the ILI. There are students who are
Hmm.
attempting the TU. So their preparation is going on side by side, and that's their journey. And you are just your journey now. You're going to start with NLUD or LSI or NALSA. Let's hope for the best. And if you need any help, do share and do call us anytime.
Definitely, definitely. So you have been very helpful throughout. Thank you for that.
So we'll be there to help us in whatever possible way we can help you. Okay. So thank you, Anisha, for your
Thank
very
you very much, sir.
important journey that you have done so many months with us. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.